DIY tips with Ishti. Come with me, let's go. Righto guys, welcome back to another quick rundown. I'm going to give you the rundown, show you how to do a quick DIY install of the clothesline on the awning of the caravan. I've been to Bunnings, I picked up a few parts. I can't stress enough, make sure you use stainless. This thing's going to be out in the weather. If you don't use stainless, it's going to rust. So I'll just show you quickly what I've been and brought. Now, that's just a couple of tensioners, a couple of clips to mount onto the awning, stainless steel wire, and a couple of clamps. So come with me, we'll give her a quick measure up and we'll start installing. So just mark your holes there with a center punch. That way your drill bit's not going to wander around. So we'll just shoot down the other end of it. So again, just a couple of center punches. We'll get the drill out, drill some holes in it. Now if you're wondering why I'm drilling this on a bit of an angle, it's because our caravan door sits quite high. So this roller to the caravan door, I've only got 40 mil. So that I have to get this clothesline center. It's got to run at 20 mil below the roller. Hence not being able to get the drill bit in square. So hopefully it works. Righto guys, if you're doing this, you're more than likely got an off-road caravan and you know that corrugations rattle the shit out of stuff. So I don't have nylock nuts because these are stainless and in this size they don't come in a nylock. So get yourself a bit of Loctite, 263. Get a bit of that, make sure you put it on the little bolt because without that it will eventually come undone.
is a pro.
So by using the right clamps, that's neat, tidy, completely locked, that ain't going anywhere.
It's just hooking it.
There you go, so same again, grab your wire, grab your crimp, feed it through that first. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to do it after. So put it through the eyelet. Back through your crimper. And not like that. What we'll do, pull that through. Make sure you feed it around the guide. And you want to get that to a reasonably tight so you can still adjust it. Now this one here I've left done right up. The one at the other end I've left half out, so that'll give me half adjustment. So that should be ample. So there you have it, guys. Simple as that. 10-minute job. That's completely done up now, and if you want to take it off, just unwind the tensioner, pop it off. So we'll just trim the wire up. tension her up and we're done. Just like that, clears the door. Clearance. It's tied up to the awning. And we have a clothesline wherever we go now. So there you go guys, 10 minutes. Cost me all of $15 in parts and 10 minutes of time. Get onto it, get it done on yours. You can thank me later.